Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Bitstamp account. In order to verify your Bitstamp account, you'll have to first make sure that you have internet connection. Now go ahead and open up an application, or you can simply go ahead and use any of the web browser, and on the web address bar type in bitstamp.net, and that's going to direct you to this kind of interface. Now first thing, you have to tap on the register button. So usually verification process start at the very beginning while you're creating an account. Otherwise, if you've already created an account, and then you can also register then. But let's go with the very first step, that is providing your personal information. Enter in the date of birth for the accurate age verification, and click on the continue button located right at the bottom. After you've done that, you need to go ahead and provide in the resident where you're actually residing on. Select the country of your resident. Now I'm gonna go with this, and make sure to mark on the terms and condition and click the continue button. Now it's going to take you to the verification page, or email, or some sort of verification process is going to be sent to your email. So you need to open up your email. As you can see, this is the particular email or the verification email. Now scroll down a bit, you'll be receiving a statement as register account, and just tap on it, and then you'll begin with the verification process. So verification is very simple. All you have to do is just provide in the document information, such as you can either upload your driving license or your state ID, passport, whatsoever. And after that, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and set up a two-step verification as well. Along with that, you have to verify email and then a phone number. So to verify your email and phone number, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just tap on send code, and after that, it's going to send you a code which you have to enter in. As soon as you're done entering the valid information, it's going to be notified that you've successfully verified your account. So in this way, you can verify your Bitstamp account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.